Hi guys, it's Lizzie from the Academy team, and today I'm going to be giving you some top tips on flying your drone. Now, if you haven't already, check out Connor's video on pre-flight checks. It's best practice to get yourself a takeoff and landing map. This is useful if you are taking off on uneven ground, or if the ground is maybe slightly damp because it's quite early in the morning or it has been raining previous to you wanting to fly. All it does is give you a nice even surface to take off and land on. Also, if you've got vision positioning on your drone, it will be an easy target for it to recognise and land back in the right place. When you first get your drone, it's really easy to get caught up in filming lots of video footage and forgetting that you can actually do stills too. Now, just like your camera, you'll be able to do some long exposures, some panoramics, but you also still need to be thinking about your composition when you do this. So following along the same rules that you would with normal photography on the ground, think about rule of thirds, think about leading lines, and actually a really good one for being up in the sky is looking for patterns and contrast. While flying, always ensure that you are checking your battery level. Now, it will be displayed in a number of ways depending on how you've got your app set up, either a percentage or in a colour bar. You'll have green when you're at 100 to 90%, it will change to amber, and red will be below 30. Straight out of the box, your return to home is set on a 30% battery warning, so it will ensure that there is enough battery left in your drone to be able to return safely to where you took off. Now, you do have the option to increase that if you want, so you could set your battery warning at maybe 40% or 50% just to make sure that you know there will be enough power in it to get it back to where you are. Always ensure that you have formatted your memory card before flight. Once you've got your original footage off it, of course, but there's nothing worse than being halfway through a flight and realising that you can no longer record or take photos. Always keep your eye on the weather. This can be checking before you leave for your location what the weather's currently doing, or it could be a day or two in advance as well. But once you're on site and you are actually flying your drone, again, be aware of changes in the weather, whether that is the wind, so if the wind speed or direction changes, because all of that will impact the performance of your drone, and also if it starts to rain. Light drizzle might seem like it's a good idea, but your drones aren't waterproof, so it's always advised that you land, wait for it to clear, or go home and come back and fly another day. Those are just a few of my tips. If you've got any of your own, please comment them below. I hope you've enjoyed watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel or hit like on this video and smash that bell icon so you stay up to date on all of our latest releases.